Good evening, guys. I hope you guys had a great day. So, a little while ago, I asked if any of you guys have used this rear view camera system on your cars, but I haven't heard back from anybody. So, since I have this, I bought this last year. This is a 1080p camera, which should be really good. And here's the monitor for it. It's a rear view mirror plus a monitor. You can see it like a rectangle in there, like a little lighter color, so that's the monitor. And here are these cables of 2 or 3 different types, and there's a way of inspecting the system through lighter switch, or and power it, and then there's another cable here which actually like solders into the backup lights, like a reverse backup light. So when the gear goes in the reverse, that's when the system is going to work, and it's going to get the power from from the cables of the light, and lit up, and then function. So here you guys can see the 2 systems the way they mentioned should be installed. This is one for the test, and this is one that you want to install for permanent use. So, and here you can see how it's going to function. It has its warnings, it has these T adapters, which I still need to figure it out where to place them and what wires to go in there, and so on and so forth. And then it shows you how what switch does underneath the monitor there. You can see these switches there, and you know and all these different backup options. It shows you how to select the lanes and backup lane stuff. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, and I mean, it's not best of the best, but I think it's going to be fine for now, because I've never had a backup camera of any of my vehicles, and the reason why I got this is to eventually take it off from this monitor here, from this rear view mirror, and plug this into the the small LCDs that I'm gonna get. One of them that's gonna go into the dashboard, into the Night Rider's dashboard, and you have this system hooked up to that monitor there. So when I back the car up, one of the monitors lit up, and I can see it through those monitors. I don't have to see it through the backup camera. I mean, not the backup camera, but the rear view mirror. So yeah, I mean, and so here it is, and tomorrow I'm gonna